Okay, welcome back to Me in Your Garage. Today we are going to be installing a clear paint protective film on our Rivian R1S. This kit is going to be for the front bumper. As the front bumper takes the most damage, we want to focus on that area first. As you can see, there's a bunch of rocks, debris, bugs, guts, whatever you may have it when you're driving down the road. This is the area where it hits first. So where we wanted to focus our first PPF install. This kit that we're using is from TWRAPS. It is $140. TWRAPS makes products and accessories for other cars as well, like your Tesla, your Lucid, and obviously your Rivian. The links in description for them will be in the box below. We're pretty handy and we've done wrap jobs and chrome deletes. If you're like us, maybe this is a job for you. TWRAPS estimates this job to take about 60 minutes, so let's get right into it. So the wrap, it comes with 5 pieces for the different parts of the front bumper, already cut out, but it also comes with a squeegee and a spray bottle. First step is to clean our surface area. No dust and residue left behind, trapped under the film. We are going to be using Adams Polishes detail spray. Links will be in the description box down below. You can get this off Amazon. Spray your area and clean. Here's our soapy water mix. We use dishwasher soap and water. I've got my helper now.
Welcome back to this channel because I miss you guys.
Okay, here, go ahead, spray, spray, spray. We want the surface area to be very wet. You spray both sides. Sheet, we're gonna spray the front. We're gonna spray the other side as well. So nice and wet here for us. Try to have it aligned. So while it's wet, it is easily repositioned. Make sure you don't squeegee out all the water until you're happy with repositioning. And if it gets hard to reposition, you can always peel it off and respray. Bring out all the water and the bubbles to the outside. Looks great. Self-healing, you know. We've got the next piece here. It's like so, right there. I think it goes to about there. Okay, so you wet your piece here. Align it where you're going to install it. Spray the front. So we got some quotes from different detailing shops, and a job like this could cost you upwards of $500, and depending on how much you want to PPF, it can cost you into the thousands. All right, so we just got finished doing the PPF on this Rivian R1S front bumper. It was a super easy job, and for $140, we think it's well worth your money to protect your paint. It looks really good. You can barely tell it's even there. There are a couple areas where we wish we maybe have adjusted it a little bit more to the one side, but overall it's a nice fit. If you have any small bubbles, you should be able to get them off with maybe a heat gun and poking it with a needle, but we didn't really have to do that. If you have experience doing wraps, it's an easy job. May even do the front hood, so keep an eye out for that video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.